Hi everyone, happy Wednesday. So here is your quick Seesaw run through video for your Wednesday. All right, so just a couple quick things that are new today. So you have your mystery Doug. Has anything like the coronavirus ever happened before? So you will click on your icon, you'll click add response. This is how it works on my side. And you'll go through the question of the week. Has anything like the coronavirus ever happened before in a complete sentence? Type what you think the answer is. So maybe no, I don't think it has ever happened before, or yes, I do think it's happened before. Okay. And this is where you will find your video right here. Okay. So you will click the link. It looks like a little paperclip. Actually, that's the hair one. And you click that one right there. So make sure when you're clicking it, you click the one that says coronavirus. Okay. It's the one with the masks. Okay. And then right here, what is Doug's answer to the question? Write it in a complete sentence, please. And then what was your prediction? Was it correct? And then write it in a complete sentence here. And then what did you learn from the bonus section? Okay, what questions do you have? All right, so you will write a couple questions right here. Make sure you have capital letters at the beginning and question marks at the end of your question. Okay. Here is constructing your ice cream shop. Okay, so you can make it from anything you have at home, cardboard box, a shoe box, anything like that. You can also make it a Lego version of your ice cream shop or a combination of it all. You can have a shoebox with Lego little tables and chairs inside. That would work too. Use your floor plan, which is right here that we created. Where is mine? Searching for it. Here it is. This is the floor plan that you need to use. Okay. And you're going to put the things in your shop where you have it on your floor plan. So in the orders, maybe you have mint chocolate chip over here. Next to that is Dole Whip. Next to that is chocolate chip. And then you have your checkout counter over here. So make sure you design your shop with that. Okay. And let's see what else here. Your engine, also to make sure you have your store name, your shop name, your logo, and a slogan somewhere on its storefront. So if you wanted to even use the storefront that you have in your packet, you can use that too. An engineering challenge, so this is a challenge for you, is add a moving part. It could be an ice cream dispenser, a horsey ride, a Ferris wheel, or a robot that roams around, or you can figure out how to make the doors swing back and forth too. Upload a photo to the slideshow of the ice cream shop, the one where you've been posting all of your ice cream shop pictures. Okay. And then I want you to make a video tour of your ice cream shop. Like, here in the front is my sign that says my shop's name, and then say your shop's name. And if you enter the doors, what are you going to see first? So go ahead and do that. Here are some samples. You can click on the pictures. These are the few that are made out of a shoebox with the tables and chairs. Okay, there's some more. And then here are the Lego versions that you could do as well. Okay, and you can see that they're using their floor plans to help them figure out where they're going to put everything. And you can see how they're putting some of their displays in there also. Okay, so there's that. Have fun with that. That should be fun. All right, and then this was assigned yesterday and it's due by Friday. Okay, I sent a lot of these back yesterday because I want to make sure you do it correctly. So there's two slides, slide one, and I made a video about this yesterday. You take a picture of any object in your house or animal or person, write the adjectives, and then don't forget to write your sentences down on the bottom using your adjectives, okay? So you can click on the beanbag to double check and make sure, okay? But a lot of you are forgetting to do your sentences. All right. And there seems to be a little bit of confusion about the second one, which is the I'm talking poem. Okay. You're going to choose one adjective and then you're going to use these two links right here to go to one of those websites to get some synonyms for your adjectives. So let me show you really quickly. Make sure you read the directions really carefully. So number one, choose an adjective from the list below. Inside this box are the adjectives you get to pick. I did accidentally put beautiful twice. Okay, so sorry about that. I'll cross one off right now, just so everyone knows that beautiful was on there twice. I'll go ahead and cross that one off. That one is good. Okay, so pick one of those words. You're going to write that word here at the title where it says I'm talking with the exclamation point, the big one. Then you're going to write it where it says, I'm talking small. Okay. And then at the very bottom, it says, you write the same adjective. I'm talking small. Then in the middle, all these other lines where it says synonym, 2 more synonyms, 3 more synonyms, 4 more synonyms, and 5 more synonyms, you're going to go to those websites that I have listed, and you're going to find other words for the word you picked. Okay? All right. And please watch the video from yesterday because I really go into a lot more detail. Okay, there we go. And I wanted to also mention your narratives. They go right here. Make sure it's handwritten in your notebook. Watch the video I did yesterday to remind you about your 2-finger indenting and hopefully about skipping lines. If you didn't do that, draw a line in between each part where it was indicated on your flea map. Okay, so you have your first box of your flea map, and then you had your second box. Let's say you wrote it all together. I want you to draw a line separating it so you know to remember to skip a line and indent when you do your final copy in your fancy paper. Okay, here's your reading log, your spelling activities. Don't forget you need to do 4 of those by Friday. There was some math, your cause and effects. Some of you need to go back and revise some of those sentences. Glows and grows. If you haven't done this yet, please make sure you look at this page right here in your assessment and feedback folder. And I'm looking for Genius Hour really quickly so I can remind you what to do for Genius Hour. Where did Genius Hour go? Oh, here is your Reader's Theater practice. So your performances are tomorrow and Friday. So make sure you get one more really good practice, and you can even do it twice today if you want to. And if you are a monkey, an elephant, or a mouse, you can go to any of the weekly slideshows for Monday and Tuesday, and there's a link to some masks that you can make and print out in color, or you can make your own. Okay, here they are. Here is where you upload your ice cream shop picture and video. And then here is your Genius Hour. Okay, so your job this week is to make sure you have at least 2 questions written down on your piece of paper here in your notebook and your answers to it. So you have to research. So you can write it in bullet points, like little dots and little ideas that you find out. And then here are some great websites. So Kiddle is my favorite. I also like KidRex. I thought that was a good one. You might even find a book on Epic that you could use. And if you can't find any good information on any of these, you can always do a Google search, but make sure you say dinosaurs for kids. Okay, so you want to make sure you say for kids so you get a kid-friendly website that you can understand. Okay. All right, send me a message if you have any questions about any of those items. So try by Friday to have your Genius Hour at least 2 questions answered. If you already have 2 questions answered, go for 3. Okay? All right. Have a good Wednesday.